Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Keycloak. Today we are diving deep into something that every modern developer, especially those who working with Spring Boot, microservices or React, they must know. Keycloak, the open source identity and access management solution by Red Hat. By end of this video, you will not understand what Keycloak is, but also why companies use it, how it works behind the scenes, and how you can integrate in your next project. So make sure you watch this video till the end. And if you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more system design and backend mastery videos. So let's start simple. What exactly is Keycloak? Keycloak is open source identity and access management tool. It helps your app handle authentication, authorizations without you writing all the security code by yourself. Imagine you are building multiple applications like admin portal, mobile app, customer dashboard, and you don't want user to log in separately into each one. That's where Keycloak comes in. It acts as centralized login system. One login for all your apps. That's the power of Keycloak. Why do we need Keycloak? Before Keycloak, every app had its own login logics like username, password, tokens, session, which means lot of duplicate code and a lot of security risks. With Keycloak, you just delegate authentication to the one centralized system. It supports all major standards like Auth 2, OpenID Connect, and SAML 2.0. So you can integrate it easily with the backend APIs, front-end apps, and even legacy systems. And here is the best part. It also supports single sign-on, that is SSO, out of the box. So user can log in once and can access everything seamlessly. Let's understand how Keycloak actually works behind the scene. Step number first, your app, say React frontend or Spring Boot backend, is registered as a client in Keycloak. Step number 2, when a user try to log in it, the app redirected them to the Keycloak login page. Step number 3, user authenticates with username plus password or even Google or SSO login. Step number 4, Keycloak generate and send back tokens, mainly ID token, who the user is, access token, what the user can do, and optionally a refresh token. Step number 5, the app uses access token to call backend services seamlessly. That's the Keycloak manages session, tokens, user roles, and even password reset for you. When you log into Keycloak admin console, you will see few important terms like realm. A realm is like a security domain. Each realm manages its own users, clients, and settings. Client, an application, that is web app or API that uses Keycloak for login. User, it represents a person who can log in. Role, it defines permissions or access level. Group, a collection of users with similar roles. You can think of it as realm, that is environment, client, that is app, user, that is person, role, that is access rules. Now let's come to the developer part, that is integration of Keycloak in your real world project. Let's suppose we are taking an example for the backend app development, that is Spring Boot. Here is an easy two-step to integrate Keycloak in your Spring Boot app. Number 1. use Spring Boot Starter Auth to resource server as a dependency. Number 2. Configure Keycloak issuer URI in your application.ml file. Spring Boot security automatically validates JWT token from the Keycloak. Now let's talk about the front end integration of Keycloak. Let's suppose we are taking an example in the React application. Here is 3 easy steps to integrate Keycloak in your React project. Number 1. Use official Keycloak.js or React Keycloak library. Number 2. Wrap your app in Keycloak provider. Number 3. Use keycloak.login or keycloak.token to protect your routes. With just a few lines of configurations, you can have enterprise grade security without writing login APIs by yourself. Now, let's talk about real world use cases for the Keycloak. Number 1. Single sign-on for all your microservices. Number 2. User federations. Connect to the LDAP, that is Lightweight Directory Access Protocol, in Active Directory. Number 3. Social media login like Google, GitHub, Facebook. Number 4. Multi-tenant authentication. Number 5th, centralized role in policy management. If your company plan for the user management module in your microservices environment, then Keycloak is your best choice. So, to summarize, Keycloak gives you centralized authentication, SSO support, token-based security, role in permission management, integration with any app like Java, Node, React, and the best part is it is a free and open source. That's all for the today's video on the Keycloak, the ultimate guide for the developers. If you learn something new, drop the comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video with your tech buddies. Next, we will build a hands-on Keycloak plus Spring Boot plus React SSO project, so stay tuned. See you next time in next video.